Sensoji is the oldest Buddhist temple in Tokyo. It dates back all the way to 628 AD. Besides being the oldest temple, Sensoji is also one of the most visited and most colorful temples in Tokyo. Roughly 30 million people flock to the temple every year. Sadly, Sensoji Temple was destroyed in World War II along with many other landmarks. As a result, you won't be able to see Sensoji in its originality but a reconstruction of it. Japan government is slowly opening its border for tourist visitors. I believe a lot of foreigners soon will visit this temple, for this is the top 10 most visited tourist spots in Japan. Oh, look, even the dogs like to visit this place. I believe you need to come here too. Let's continue walking around. Oh, there are still some people offering their respects to Buddha. This is the purification fountain called Juzoya in Japanese. People wash their hands and rinse their mouth to purify themselves before visiting the temple. This is really a great place to take pictures as a memory of Japan. Oh, here is a Buddha statue. We are here now in Sensoji Gardens. In this Sensoji garden, there are still a lot of statues to enjoy. Oh, it seems there is a small program going on in this area. Let's just check this area and enjoy whatever we see. Oh, it looks like there's some food to enjoy here. Come on, let's check it out. This area quite big, huh? It takes us time to walk around. Oh, looks yummy! Barbecue! This looks awesome. Let's try to wash our hands here. By the way, there are also small shrines outside Sensoji Temple. Oh, Japanese yakisoba. Do you like it? Do you wanna try? Oh, is that takoyaki? Yummy! There's a lot of flavored juice also to enjoy for only 300 yen. Hey guys, he's cooking fresh octopus. Do you think it's delicious? Do you wanna try? You can buy octopus at 400 yen and the squid is 600 yen. Oh yes, street dancing! Let's enjoy guys, let's dance! Ninja on the moves! Give me one please! Yay! I got one! Thank you, Ninja! Selfie mo na yung actor, just for a while. It seems like a lot of these people enjoy this dance. Come on, let's dance! Oh, it looks like Grandma is enjoying too. Thank you for watching guys. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Until next time.